What is it? What's the sound?
Is it hail? Oh, fuck. It is hail. It's hailing. It's fucking hailing. Oh my god. Jesus. Wow. The storm is the devil.
Yep. That is a hail storm. Let's taste it. Tasty.
Everything's wet, you know, I took off my couch things. Oh, it's times like this that I want to drink a kombucha.
If the world is ending, then for sure it makes sense to have to drink some kombucha. I might not have much, but I've got a few liters of kombucha. Okay. Gazur. That's cheers in Albanian. Man, oh man. I tell you, I knew that there was some rain coming and some wind, but I think the worst part is that my couch got wet. That's the most annoying thing. Like, how did that water get in here? It came in sideways. Motherfucking sideways rain. Like in Hawaii. I remember the sideways rain also. When I was staying on the Hamakua coast, the east side of the Big Island, like the rainiest place in the United States, because it's a colonized, sovereign land. Wow. Gazur. Yeah, it's nice to have some kombucha on hand. You know, it was like, it's so surprising. Hailstorm. But I've seen hailstorms here in Albania before. Earlier this year. I've got some video clips. You crazy! When we were in Shkodra, it was me and Ibrahim and Lily and Anna staying in the Shqiponia yoga center, and one night there's like a hailstorm filling the street, and it was coming a river of hailstones in the street, coming almost up to the door, which is on an elevated kind of platform. Holy shit. And now the hail stopped already, so this is not as extreme as that. I mean, well, what can I do? That's the question. What can I do? Because short of building some walls, I mean, I'd have to build a real house. And the bunker is solid, but I can't live in the bunker. It's too small. I can sleep in there and use it as an emergency shelter. But I like to live in here, but I also like the open space. But it's like an outdoor porch, really. It can protect me from normal rain, but not that crazy, freaky, sideways rain. No way. Adventure! When it's like this, what can you do but prepare food? Yeah, 5-second rule, right? Alright. Yeah, nice lentil stew is what it calls for. I mean, that's kind of it, right? When you can't really control your environment, you can at least control yourself. Might as well just cook the whole bag, huh? This will feed me for a few meals. Always recycle your bags. Yeah. Smells good. It's like mint, oregano mix from here.
It's insane. I mean, not to be ableist. What I mean is that it's beyond the realm of reason and comprehension, really. This storm, this weather, this nature is so powerful. The sea, it's moving these rocks. They're incredibly heavy rocks that a single person couldn't even lift, and they're being moved by these waves right now. I mean, they're massive waves. Check it out, really, because they're so incredible. They're gigantic. Like surfing waves. This is Mediterranean, the Aegean Sea. You can see the island Corfu behind me. Usually it's kind of protecting from a lot of these storm elements. But the wind is coming from all over the place. I'm watching the way it's blowing. It knocked down my prayer flags. What a sunset though, huh? The clouds are so beautiful. It's like the more deadly, the more beautiful. You can't have beauty without danger. If you take away the danger, you kill the beauty too. And I'm standing here on top of the bunker, like the wind could just come in a big gust and kill me. It could blow me off. But somehow I trust it's not gonna happen right now. But the awe I feel of this powerful nature, it could do it. Wow. I mean, it's a very beautiful experience, even though it's difficult, but to survive in these elements is very magical. Wow. What a sunset though. Took off my shoes and my pants because the sea is so high right now, and I'm trying to walk back. Oh my gosh, it's crazy. Wow. Fuck. Maybe I can come up here. It's chaos. Climb over it. Okay. Wait for the right moments. Like that. It's usually not like this. This is like an incredibly high sea. Okay. It's like Super Mario Brothers, right? Okay, this is a good time. Whew. All this just to go to the internet. Well, I wanted to charge my phone so I can enjoy some reading and be able to make these video clips. And it was nice to talk to some people. Arbana left today, but because of this crazy sea, we didn't get to say goodbye. That's okay. I feel like I'm going to Mordor. Oh, careful. Woo! Yeah, these stones are so unpredictable about how reliable they are to climb. Oh shit, is this the place that's always bad? Okay. This part gets a lot. Okay. Little plants. Thank you. Actually, it's easier to do it with my bare feet because I can dig my toes in. These are supporting the stones. Okay. Okay. Woo. Really? This part too? No, I think I can walk on it. Let's just wait for a minute. When the waves cancel each other out is the time to go. Like, sometimes they're reinforcing and other times they're negating. Like here's one coming, but it's coming back. So in theory, no, I don't know. It's a feeling, I guess. Quickly! Oh. Oh, so exciting, huh? Wow. Okay, that was the gauntlet of terror. Usually it's not that bad. This is extreme circumstances right now. Maybe because of because of all the rains. It's just pumping the sea with extra water. I don't know. But yeah. Okay. That was that. Okay, safe and sound back at home. What a crazy wild day. What a day. But it was fun. It was an adventure. And I'll sleep well.